بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم صلى الله عليك يا أبا عبد الله صلى الله عليك يا ابن رسول الله. We are on the top of the new complex, the building of Imam Hussein TV, and as you can see, the new air conditioning unit has been just installed, and as you can see, this unit that people are working here to install it, and alhamdulillah, it all happened by your donation and by your support. So I like to thank every one of you who support us and donate through this air conditioning unit, and inshallah, if anyone else like to donate through this system, through this building, let us know. This is brother Ali Jawahiri from Imam Hussein TV. Also, I like to recite the ziyarah behalf of all of you, every one of you that who support and donate Imam Hussein TV. Assalamu alayka ya Aba Abdullah, Assalamu alayka ya Ibn Rasulullah, Assalamu alayka ya Ibn Amir al-Mu'minin wa Ibn Sayyid al-Wasiyin, Assalamu ala al-Hussein wa ala Ali ibn al-Hussein wa ala awlad al-Hussein wa ala ashab al-Hussein.
Shed his for you with a Zahra. Welcome me to your land so my heart can feel at home.